Hey everyone, in this video, I'm about to show you how to connect WordPress to Hostinger. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the official WordPress.com website. Click on the login button in the top right corner. Next, choose Continue with Google for a quick login method. Select the Google account you want to use and click Continue. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Upgrades. Then select Domains to manage or add a domain to your WordPress account. Click on the Add New Domain button located at the top right. Here, you'll see the option to search for a new domain to register through WordPress. But if you already own a domain for another provider like Hostinger, go back and click the arrow next to Add New Domain. Now, click on Use a Domain I Own. This allows you to connect a domain you purchased elsewhere. Enter the domain name you want to use in the box. Now, in the new tab, search for Hostinger and visit the official site. Click on the Services or Domain section. Then click on Domain Name Search. In the search bar, type the domain name you want, such as Why This Error. You'll see a list of available extensions like .com, .net, .org, each with different prices like $4.99 or $32.97 depending on availability. Once you find the domain you want to buy or already own, go back to the WordPress tab and enter the domain name. From there, WordPress will guide you through the steps to connect it, such as updating DNS settings or verifying ownership through Hostinger. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.